So we have a question over here. Calculate the magnetic field at the center of the following geometries carrying the same current and the radius. So that's the first current I is flowing like this, and the radius is r. So the magnetic field due to the first and the second will be zero, but because of third, the overall field will be mu naught I theta. Theta is pi by 4 pi r. So that will be mu naught I by 4 r. That's the answer for the first case, and it will be cross. Okay, let's solve the second one. That's the second case we have. So current is flowing like this. Obviously it divides like this and enters finally like this. That's the radius. So now we can see that current is dividing here and here. The I'm calling this part as 1, this part is 2, this part is 3, this part is 4. Obviously the field because of 1 and 2 will be 0 because they are along the radius axis, but because of 3 and because of 4, that's also equal, but in magnitude, not in direction. Because of the 3, that value is mu naught, same as of here, mu naught I by 4r, but it's cross. And because of the fourth one, it's mu naught I by 4r, it's dot. So b3 b4 cancel out each other. Overall magnetic field is 0 at center. Let's solve the third case. So that's the figure we have. Current is flowing like this, and the current is flowing like this. I'm calling this section as 1. Okay, this entire wire is actually 1. This is 2. So because of the 1, the field this time is mu naught I by, because this is a straight wire. This is radius r. The angles both side will be how much? 90 degree. Mu naught I theta, mu naught I by 4 pi r, sine 90 plus sine 90. Sine 90 into 2. Sine 90 into 2 is uh, basically mu naught I by 2 pi r will be the field because of the first one. And because of the second, b2 is how much? Mu naught I theta. Theta is 2 pi by 4 pi r. So that's coming out to be mu naught I by 2 r. And the field will be like it's cross. And because of this, the field will be dot. So let's solve this. It is 2r and it's 2 pi r. Definitely the this is smaller one. b1 is small than b2. So I can write this as mu naught I by 2r minus mu naught I by 2 pi r. 2 pi r. So taking mu naught I by 2r common, this become 1 minus 1 by pi. And definitely the direction will be cross. Let's solve the last, not the least one. It's D part. It is that the current is flowing like this, and basically current enters like this and leave something like this. Okay, so this time the field remains the same. It is just that uh, the direction gets changed. Okay, so the direction gets changed. That's all. So the direction is dot here, and because of this also dot. So our answer is just mu naught I by 2r, 1 plus 1 by pi dot. Hope this answered your question. Thank you very much.